look at her.
Poglej njega.
Oh, look at him.
Poglej ga, poglej
look at
njo.
her shoes.
Glej, kakšne čevlje ima.
Oh my gosh. Right? Why do we do that?
Zakaj to počnemo?
Why?
Zakaj?
It takes me 3 seconds
Rabim samo 3 sekunde,
to look at you and say, you're ugly.
da te pogledam in ti rečem, ti si grd.
And you walk away,
In potem ti greš
and in your mind, you repeat it again and again and again.
in si v svojih mislih znova in znova in znova ponavljaš.
And you hear it so much, you start to believe it.
In ker to tolikokrat slišiš, pričneš temu verjeti.
You have to decide that they're wrong.
In moraš se odločiti, da nimajo prav.
Differences,
Razlike,
gender,
spol,
whatever.
karkoli pač.
We are all beautiful just the way that we are.
Vsi smo čudoviti, ravno takšni, kakršni smo.
But you're not going to find somebody to accept you until you accept you.
Ampak ne boš našel nekoga, ki bi te sprejel, dokler ne boš sprejel samega sebe.
I don't need to be anyone I'm not, and I'm okay with me.
Ni mi potrebno biti nekaj, kar nisem. Meni je povsem v redu v svoji lastni koži.
That's the spark
In to je tisti užig, iskra,
that changes you.
ki te spremeni.